Hi everybody, this is Rick. Welcome to my studio and welcome to my 2021 Christmas card series. This is a series of Christmas card videos that I've set up as a project on my Learning Center page on my website. And I did a series in 2020 and it was very popular, so I decided to go ahead and do that again. So just to give you a little background on the Christmas card, that demo that you're about to watch. There's a series of them. This is just one example here. This is the finished card. I do these on the blank cardstock that you can purchase at any number of art supply dealers. And for my project, what I do is on my website, I provide an image of the card, an image of a template that you can use that you can print out on 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, the actual image or the artwork is 7 inches by 5 inches, and that fits on these cards, which are 7 by 5 inches. So when you purchase these, you get a box of 50 or whatever you decide to buy. They come with envelopes and they come with this cardstock. So what I do is I fold this cardstock, I mount it to my board, I put my design on it, trace it on there, and then I go ahead and paint it. So the end result is you have a Christmas card that you can put in an envelope and give to friends, family, or whoever you like. And you don't have to do this on these cards. You can just make these into mini holiday paintings and put them in little mats if you want. So I hope you enjoy this series, and happy holidays.